Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
So as you can see, we are in our night suits today. It is one of those kind of a video.
And those kind of a weather to stay at
Yes.
home in our pajamas all the day. So it's winter time, and in Canada we have almost 8 months of winter, and it's really important that you take care of your skin. Like you wear 2 to 3 layers of clothes, you also need layers for your skin.
So as you know, the winter over here, it starts from October onwards and it goes on till May. So these months are really crucial, especially for your skin, because temperature keeps on dropping down. It goes up to like 20 or sometimes even minus 30 degrees. So it is very important that you take care of your skin, because otherwise the dryness of your skin is going to be too prominent and you can actually see the dry skin flakes, and it doesn't look good, neither does it look professional. So it is essential that you take care of your skin. We are sharing some products with you guys. Not necessary that you have to use all of them, but we want to give you an assurance that we have been using that products since a very long time.
So please make sure that you watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
So let's begin.
Okay, so this video is going to be about all the winter products that we have been loving so far to cope up with harsh Canadian winters. We have been using this product since a long time and we are very happy with the result. We have a dry skin type, especially during winter, so please make sure that before you buy this product, you find out your skin type and then invest wisely. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm going to use here today is a face wash. I'm using face wash by Aveeno called Positively Radiant Cleanser. As you can see, my skin is not really feeling happy. It is feeling very dry. So I'm just going to use this product and share my experience with you guys. You probably need a pump or two of this product. Slightly wet your face because it helps in easy application. It is slightly runny, as you can see. Apply it on your skin, gently massage. And then you can use a lukewarm water or cold water to just take the product off your skin. As you can see, I'm feeling very happy that my skin is really clean, but it is feeling extremely dry. It is totally dehydrated and it's not feeling moisturized at all. Next step I'm going to use is a toner, and this toner is from the Body Shop. I'm using British Rose and it is 100% vegan and it does not contain any alcohol. It has a sort of a jelly texture. All you need is a couple of drops on your skin and it is going to absorb in your skin really quickly. And it is going to make your skin feel very hydrated instantly. By far, this is my favorite toner. So the another product I'm using here as my moisturizer is CeraVe. Now the best part about this product I feel is SPF 30. It also comes with ceramides, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. You might feel that it has some kind of white residue. That is because of SPF 30, and it is slightly difficult to spread out on your skin, but if you gently massage it, it's going to sit really well and it does not feel sticky, it is not oily at all, and it is thoroughly moisturizing. So the another product I'm using here is from The Ordinary, 100% plant derived squalene. Squalene has anti-aging properties. It helps to maintain your moisture and also maintain hydration in your skin. You just need couple of drops, spread it out evenly on your skin. You can combine this with your moisturizer, but you can also use this as it is. It is a facial oil, so texture is going to be slightly oily, but don't worry, it is going to absorb in your skin really quickly.
Okay, so the next winter essential is Jade Roller or your home facial massage. This is from Plentific and it comes with certificate of real jade stone, which is really very important. Also, it comes with the user guide. I got a great deal on Amazon for both jade roller and gua sha stone. And if it's made up of real stone, it's generally heavy in weight and gives a real effect. So this is jade roller and this is gua sha stone. So jade roller or gua sha stone, it is recommended that you apply any facial cream or facial oil before using the tools on your face and on your neck. So the bigger tool is for your whole face and there's a small tool on this side that you can use for underneath your eye. So I like to use jade roller twice or thrice a week, and what it does is you roll this little roller over your skin, and what it does, it helps with blood circulation on your face, relieves any muscle tension, any lymphatic drainage, and I feel like after I put this on my skin, my face just feels so much bright, and it's like giving yourself a little facial massage.
Okay, so the next product I'm going to talk today about is body lotion by Aveeno. Now, as you can see, my hand is also feeling really dry and scratchy. Aveeno also has a scent-free product. I'm just going to take a pump of this product, rub it between my palm and apply it all over my hand. As you can see, it is absorbing really quickly. It does not feel sticky, neither oily. It is just very gentle and it smells amazing. I'm clearly very happy. So the next product is truly winter essential. We are using hand lotion by Carmel. Now this product has a strong smell, so if you're not a fan, I would not recommend this product for you. Just take a little bit of hand lotion, rub it between your palms, and you're going to be left with soft moisturized hand. So the last and final product that we are using here today is lip balm. Carmex is very creamy. It is going to leave your lips moisturized and really soft for a really long time. And Bud Bees is really thick. Both of this product does not have any smell. It does not have any color in it. I love both of them very dearly. And clearly it's a thumbs up from both of us.
So that's it guys for today. I hope you found this video useful, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We would really appreciate that. And if you're not already a subscriber to our channel, please do that. See you all on our next video. Bye bye.